Hi guys, and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. As you can see today, I'm in the storage yard and I'm here because I have a little issue that needs sorting. Okay, hello guys. I might need some help with this one. Just come back from Cornwall. It was horrendous on the way home, the journey. It was torrential rain. And when we got to the storage yard, on the front unit in the caravan, there were some puddles of water, which I'm a little bit worried about. I'll swing the camera around and show you basically what I mean. I don't know if you can see, I put some towels down, but this was wet at the bottom. Don't know if you can see it, and the same with that one. The outside curtains, these were fine, they weren't wet at all, and there were some two puddles here. Not very big, not a lot. Nothing coming from the roof or anything. When I did look over here, there was a little bit of water in there. Same on that window over there. The one in the middle, the big window, seemed to be fine. So what I'm thinking is maybe the seals on these windows need lubricating. I don't know. What I'm going to do, we're going to open all these windows at the front, because we hardly ever use these ones, I must admit. So the seals could have gone hard, I don't know. But we're going to open them, clean round them, and I'm going to use some silicone lubricant, which I got from B.Aktiv, spray all that, and hopefully that will solve the issue. Now, if anyone else has had this issue or knows about it, if it's a thing with Baileys, we've got a Bailey Pegasus, please let us know in the comments below. If there is a fix for it, which I'm doing wrong or whatever, put that in the comments below. That would be appreciated. But as for now, I'm just going to lubricate them and see what happens. We're going to use this. It's just from Halfords, quite an old one. I've got silicone lubricant. I'm going to spray on the seals around here and see if it makes any difference. They do seem soft to me. They don't seem like they're hard or anything. But what I have noticed, the drying is at the bottom, which is better than having it at the top, I suppose. But I'd have thought maybe on the side. So I don't know if the water's coming up, hitting that and going through. So I don't know if this is a common fault. If anyone can let us know, let us know. Now this stuff, make sure the area is clean. Which we're giving this a wipe over. I know the front of the van is filthy, but that's because we only just got back and had a chance to wash it. But this is clean. Spray this at a distance of 25 to 30 centimetres away and wipe off any excess. So let's give it a go. I know there's plenty of excess on there at the moment. I'm just going to leave it to soak and then give it a wipe in a few minutes, and then we just go and do the other one, the other side. Haven't done the centre one because there's no water coming in for that at all. So we'll do this one. There we go. So Halfords silicone lubricant. Let's see if that does the trick. If anyone else knows anything better, let us know. Again, this side, the drying is at the bottom. So I reckon as driving down, water's been sprayed up, hitting that, going through. Hopefully that's what's causing it. I know people say, well, if you put a towing cover on, that wouldn't happen, but I haven't got a towing cover. Might be a purchase in the future. Watch the channel and find out. But there we go. I'm going to give this a wipe now. Just give it a wipe down, get the excess off. Do the same with the other side. Using microfiber cloths. See, I use microfiber cloths for most things around the caravan. They seem to be ideal. Okay. And there we go, all done. So let's hope that works. And like I say, if anyone else knows a good thing to do, let us know in the comments. Till next time, bye for now.